Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I knew I would reach somebody who did not like the stems of flowers in a vase. Now, Gloria, we can solve this. Orchids into a vase with some leaves. You didn't like the look. Could I help solve it? Well, I can, Gloria. I've got the vase similar to what you've got, and I found some leaves. Now, what I did was I took the back or the structure. You know when you buy your leaves, the artificial leaves, and they've got that little wiry bit through there? Just peel that off and pull that wire out so that you're left with a piece of leaf fabric. Get your hand around and into that leaf and roll it up. I've already got two in there, so I've got one down there and I've got one there, and then just bring that to there. Fell down, hold on, whoa, 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 I don't want you falling down. There would be a better way of doing this, but I just got this in from you, Gloria, so I've had to just like go really fast at it. So there we have the beginnings of a beautiful tropical arrangement with leaves. The leaves are inside the vase, which is going to cover your stems, and two, that tropical feel comes from the vase up and out. You wanted some leaves in it, so I found some leaves. Any leaves will do, and I think that when you're doing something that's tropically inspired, the different one of this leaf, one of that leaf, one of something else, it's just perfect. Okay, we've got this big leaf which I'm putting into here. Oops, hold on, I have to be very careful here because the leaves are just stuck on the outside, and I've got two of the Raelia leaves, so I'll put one into there, or Monstera leaf, and I'll bring the other one in to there. Now, that's got a bit of a swing on that leaf there. I'm not going to worry about that. I'll come back to that in due course. Now, these are beautiful, and when you're looking into them and you see all those little aerial roots here, these will be fabulous as a little bit more. Actually, I don't know why that's stuck. I'm just going to, oh no, I can't do it. No, that can stay there. Right, so we'll bring that down and into the middle of our vase, like so. Might need to bring that leaf around, which I do. But with that, those little roots there, that's adding another texture. So the more textures you can get in, or visual bits of interest into your design, the better it's going to be. So I've got the white plant in there, the Vanda plant, and then I've got these lovely green moth orchids, which I thought would be just beautiful. And to be honest, this is going to be for my guest bathroom or powder room. So that can go in over there, and then I'm just going to bring another one around and into there and take it down. Now, by the way, that Vanda orchid I cut in half, and I'll just bring that out now. So I've cut it off, so this is the tip of it. No, hold on. That's the base, so I've cut off this, but hold on, let me just, why didn't I tell you that before I started? So that's the tip that's gone right in, and I've supported that as I've done with this, I just got a stem of a flower. I took the leaf, the wire that was in there, that structure, and then I've just plonked that or pushed that right into there so that I've got an extra bit of length so that it's not gonna fall out. So that can go in and over to there like so. And there we have a beautiful arrangement of tropical orchids and leaves, and we got rid of the stems. Any requests for any help, direct message me to Astar's Place, and I will leap into it, and it will be my pleasure. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you again another day. Bye for now.